Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle, also known as Stink Face Glam, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a high ponytail with hair extensions.
I mean, where the f should I really even start?
So I want to give you guys the 411 on what's going on with my hair currently before we begin this tutorial. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I'll leave them linked down below and in the cards above. I am experiencing a weird hair loss right now. So that means my hair is super fine, thinning, so I have bald spots on my scalp. I also have experienced breakage from when I used to bleach my hair a lot, so my hair is currently dipping lengths. Back here, I'll have parts that are shorter than the actual length. You see how this ends right here, but the length still continues down here. With these three things working against me, it's super hard for me to apply extensions without the track showing. And also, it's super hard for me to find extensions that are the color of my hair because of the fact that my hair is growing out in the blondes towards the ends and my natural hair is dark. I found a way to make this work, and I want to show you guys in case you are also suffering from things that I'm currently suffering from. You need some kind of gel or hairspray or mousse that will be able to hold down any flyaways when you pull your hair up into a ponytail. So I'm going to be using the Got To Be Ultra Glued. This stuff is literally glue, literally glue. It's going to hold down every single flyaway I have, and I have a lot because I have a lot of new hair growth. You also need some hair ties. I only have two. I had a third one, but it went MIA as soon as I started to film. I also have some bobby pins just in case I need to tame any little hairs in the ponytail. The next and most important thing you need in this tutorial are the hair extensions. I got these from Amazon. They're 100% human hair. Other things you may need for this tutorial: a straightener and or a curler depending on how you want the ponytail to look, and also an edge brush if you want to do edges. I am practicing my edges. My edges will be crap in this video. I'm just giving you the heads up. And also, because I am experiencing thinning and I will have some bald spots on my scalp when I pull my hair back up into a ponytail, I do use eyeshadow to help hide those bald spots so that my hair looks fuller. What we're gonna do is we're going to create a ponytail right on the crown of the head. So you can use a comb if you'd like. I'm not gonna use a comb, I'm just gonna use my fingers. And we're going to create kind of like a triangle. You can use your brush to just help you brush up the sides. This doesn't have to be perfect, but you wanna get the most amount of hair. You want to make sure that you have enough hair here, but you also want to make sure you have enough hair in the front and the back, because when we scoop everything together, you really want this section to be hidden. This is what my little ponytail looks like up here. So we still have the hair up front here, hair back here as well. These are the hair extensions that I got from Amazon. I decided to go with a blonde color because the ends of my hair are blonde and it would look really funky if I went with a dark color. This is what it looks like. As you can see, there is a bit of a wave because of the way that they were stored. You can straighten these out if you're going to do a straight ponytail. What I love about these especially, which is why I actually got them from Amazon, it is so thin. Look how thin that is. When it's in my hair, you cannot see it. It looks like a tape-in extension. It's a clip, obviously, but it is so well made. I'm obsessed with these. What we're going to do is we're going to start applying the hair extensions to this little mini ponytail that I have on the top of my head. I'm gonna start with my single clip hair extensions first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply this first one directly on top of the ponytail, so it looks like this. Then I'm going to take this, flip it down, and I'm gonna take the other one clip and I'm gonna put it opposite direction underneath the ponytail and clip. Now you should have a ponytail that looks like this. The next few steps are to continue adding on. Now I don't have any more single clips, so now we're gonna go into a double clip, and I'm going to do the same thing I did before. So I'm going to apply this, and now I have to keep in mind that I don't want to go straight across. Ponytails aren't straight, they're round. I'm going to clip this in the front similar to how I did the one clip and curve it, and then I'm going to flip this over, take another two clip, apply it this way, and also curve it around. If it doesn't want to clip, it's probably because it's like right directly on another clip. So now you're going to have a ponytail that looks like this. So the next step is going to be actually picking your hair up into a ponytail. We're going to brush our actual hair back. As you can see, this is my ponytail right now and it's looking really sad, really pathetic. So I'm going to add more pieces on top of this ponytail. The tricky part about this is you're going to need to position it in a way that it is going to be easy for you to hide. So I'm going to take a 3 clip and I'm going to apply it to the top of this weird looking ponytail right now. I'm going to take another 3 and do the same in the back. My ponytail is looking a little bit thicker, but still really crazy, and obviously you can still see the extensions. I'm going to put in the final piece, which is a 4-clip extension. This is going to wrap all the way around as close to the base of the ponytail as you can get. That's important. And then once I do that, I'm going to use some hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail so we can hide these extensions. So I used my own hair to wrap around. Right now it's looking crazy because I have a lot of little hairs and they're not cooperating with me today. This is what the ponytail looks like with all of the hair. If you find that the hair that you wrapped around is just not cooperating, you could use a scrunchie, like a really cute scrunchie. Put it at the base and that will help hide the tracks as well as keep the hair that you want to keep there. I'm going to use some of this Got2b gel and I'm going to apply it onto the front of my hair. You could do whatever you want at this point. You could put it on the side. I love doing just like a side ponytail. I think that's really cute. Do whatever makes you feel good, makes you feel confident, makes you feel badass. I'm gonna do everything else off camera and I will see you with the final result. I did do my baby hairs off camera and I did put some eyeshadow on my hairline to kind of make it look a little fuller so you wouldn't see the bald spots. And this is what the hair, I'll crouch down just a smidge, but this is what the hair is looking like. I left this scrunchie in just because I kind of like the vibe. I like the beige with the red look. My actual hair was not cooperating today. Normally I'm able to get it to look a lot more sleeker. It was not cooperating, but that's okay. Some days you're gonna have good hair days and some days you're not gonna have good hair days. So this is how I do a high ponytail with extensions with my thin ass, brittle ass, dry ass hair. If you like this tutorial and you want to see more hair tutorials from moi, please leave a comment down below or like this video so I know that you actually
Yikes.
with videos like this. If you have any specific recommendations for hair that I should check out, because I love to buy hair from Amazon, but obviously there are other vendors, leave them down below. Follow me on my social media handles. I will leave them somewhere on the screen. Be sure to check out all of my other hair videos that I have. I'll leave the playlist linked up here as well as down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching any of my videos, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.